Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and gracious. Let me start my presentation firstly by introducing myself. Myself, Marwa Bibi from BS Biochemistry Department, and today I'm here to present the presentation of the subject Principle of Chemistry Lab Work. The experiment which I'm going to present and is that how will you prepare 5N sulfuric acid solution in a 500 ml by using the standard solution of 16 molar. In this experiment, we will prepare 5N sulfuric acid using the standard solution of a 16 molar. The content of my presentation include following few content. The first one is his equipments, in which we will discuss which instruments or things will be used or carry on in this experiment. Secondly, we will study about its procedure, and thirdly, we will do its calculations, and after that we will draw a conclusion from all this procedure. The equipments that are used in this experiment mainly include beaker, as you can see on the upper top right side of the slide, and second one is pipette, which is at the last of the slide on the right side of the slide, and thirdly funnel, glass rod, and fifthly sulfuric acid. These are all the things which are used in a experiment. As far as our procedure of the experiment is concerned, in this experiment, we'll pour the sulfuric acid into a small beaker, pipette out 10 ml to 20 ml of a sulfuric acid by using a single measurement. After that, we will take another beaker and first add water into it. After that, add sulfuric acid into it. Thirdly, we will have with the help of the glass straw, we will mix all of these things. And fourthly and lastly, we will add it into a volumetric flask by using the funnel. Fill it up to the mark. So now let's move on to the next slide, which include its calculation. As we are very well known about the relation between the molarity and normality, that one molar, we can say one molar is equal to 2 ON, means that if 16 molars are given, it means that there are 32 molars. So the given data in the experiment are C1, which is approximately equal to 5, and then the volume V1 is 500 ml, C2 which we find by using the above relation, which is 1 m is equal to 2n. So after that, by multiplying 2 with the 16 molar, we will get 32n. So the C2 value is 32n. We have to find V2 value. So now let's move on to the next slide, which is about the formula. The formula of the equation for the experiment is C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2, means that in this we will put the value of the C1, which is 5, and V1, which is 500 ml, and C2, which is 32, which we find or get by using a relation, which is 1 amp is equal to 2n and a V2. So after multiplying 5 with the 500, we get 2500. So here 32 is multiplying with the V2. So here on the V32 come on the left side and get divided by 2500. So after dividing by 32, we will get the value of the V2, which is 78.12 ml. So the result is simple, that we will get the amount of the V2, which is 78.12 ml of a sulfuric acid, will get dissolved in 500 ml to obtain 0.2 and sulfuric acid. Thank you to all of you for listening and giving attention to our presentation. Thank you very much for your precious time.